Thank you for your purchase of the Leisure Accents double bar. Begin by placing the 3-inch support into the bottom of the leg and tap into place with a rubber mallet. Stand the bar upright and install the other leg by placing it over the groove on the 3-inch support and tapping into place. Place the second 3-inch support in the center slot on the top of the legs and tap into place with a rubber mallet. Orientating the flange towards the center of the double bar, place the 36-inch plank receivers over the spearheads on the legs such that the lip is situated in the middle of the legs. Tap into place with a rubber mallet above the spearhead connections. Repeat this for the other plank.